So this is another antique car. I can see it's very nice, neat and clean. Look at the tires. My gosh. How big the tires are, and look at the springs. And these are mufflers. Interior, look at the steering. It's the engine, very shiny. It says Ford 1924. Very nice car. Look at the front tires all look like a motorcycle tires, but oh my God, what a beautiful car. And how did they keep it like very nice, clean? Let's talk to the owner of this car. How are you, sir?
Good.
This car is yours?
Yes, sir.
Can I talk to you something about it?
Sure.
As I saw, its model is 1924, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, and it's running good. Everything is original condition, or you rebuilt it because of tires?
No, it's actually a kit car. The state of Illinois thinks it's a 1924, but it was built originally in 1968.
1968.
So there is nothing, except for the license plate, which is legitimate. Nothing else on there is made in 1924.
Oh, okay. So it's refurbished car, huh?
Yeah, well, they're built as a kit.
Okay, and it's running good?
Yeah, drive it everywhere.
Where do you live?
Just north of town, about 5 miles.
Oh, it's in Sycamore. So
Yeah.
yeah, he's also our neighbors from Sycamore. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.